The stream should start. Let's reset the timer and let me put the tweet up. Live now. Join in. Okay, cool. So yesterday we were doing something. Okay, this is not the project that I was looking for. Just a second. I'll switch it and then Foundry. Okay. Yep. Now you can see this part. So now I understood. This is we were testing this, right? The execute op function. This, and I was thinking how to get this error code, but we were not able to get it. So I just said like we can't achieve this condition without lots of modification, or I'm dumb and I can't see the solution that is in front of me. So probably I found the answer, which I know I don't know if I found the answer, but I want to check. So what my idea is, we know this error code is getting set here. So where is this function getting called? It's getting called 3 times. One here, okay. One here. Okay. In the post execution, let's go and see. Inner handle op. Where is the third? Okay, I'm completely out of it. I don't know. I thought I knew something, but no, that's not the case. So next part, what next part we test? That's the thing. Also, I will cross check with on the Discord with ERC4337 team how to run the test. I haven't used Hard Hat in a while, and there are no instructions on the GitHub, so I don't know what to do. That's the issue. Where I don't know I don't know how much coverage they have on ERC4337, like these core contracts, and I'm just pushing it. I'm trying to push it. I'm not pushing it, but yeah. So let's see the coverage. Not this one. There should be, yes. So this part. Brave. Okay, set. We can say localhost 5500. Oh, I haven't started the server. Just did. Let me reload it. Okay, here we have core. Main issue is where in the base payment. Okay, post op. That's the part, right? Must revert. That works. We can just call this part and check if that we get this error. And here post op. Yeah, we can cover this. It's not an issue. Let's go back, and in the paymaster test, unit test, paymaster test. Okay, test functions from test. Okay, called from it. Now what we can do is function test payma- paymaster post op public will test for two conditions here, which is one is reverts on not being called from entry point, and reverts on called, because we haven't overridden. Will that be the correct word? Yes, it will be overridden. Okay, there is two D's. Overridden the post of function. The post op. Let me close this function. Let's go to base paymaster. Base, where is, yeah, this. Then we can go to require, and we know that what will be the error. Let's close this, come here. Let's see, paymaster deposit, paymaster withdraw to works, paymaster dot post op, and we need to pass multiple things. We can go base paymaster. You see all this part. We can pass anything, it doesn't matter. Just mode, we need to do that correctly. Can we check? Yes, so in the iPaymaster there is post op mode. Post op mode succeed. We need post op mode, right? Post, yes, post op mode, correct. We need this. We'll say op succeeded. Next value will be empty bytes 0 and 0. So let's set those things. Do we have? Oh, we have written a lot of functions. I didn't know that, or I didn't remember that. No, we haven't. Let's see, import I pay master source slash interfaces slash ipaymaster.sol. We can come down and say ipaymaster.mode post of mode dot no, just post of mode, that works. Then mode equal to ipaymaster dot post of mode dot on. Is it on succeed? On succeeded. Next is context, which is bytes memory context equal to mtx. Next, un256. What were the values? Actual cost, actual gas cost, and actual user of fees per gas. Okay. Actual gas cost equal to 0, un256. Actual actual user of fees or fee, whatever we can say, fees per gas equal to 0. Now down here we'll pass everything in same order. Context, actual gas cost, actual user of fees per gas, fee per gas. And say vm dot revert, no, expect revert, and then pass the error. Next we want to do is pay master dot, same thing, post op mode context actual gas cost, actual user of fee per gas, and we need to do vm dot prank entry point. Will this give an error? This wait. Yes, we need to wrap this in address. Next is vm dot expect revert, and here we want base paymaster. Okay, must override. Must override. Forge test dash dash empty. Everything works properly. Let's just see the trace once. expect revert. We are saying we are sending the correct error. Then must revert must override. That also works properly. Okay, so base paymaster is done. We also had few things in user of library. Okay, let's go in the entry point, and say user operation lib for packed user operation. So we can access everything related to that here. Now we'll see. We haven't tested few parts here, which is this, and then bunch of these functions. What we're gonna do is we're gonna write a contract that exposes each of them. But we won't do like a mock thing that we did here. Instead, I want to do a samples and new file, which is example usage or user op lib example dot sol. So my idea is what I want to do. Let me contract user of lib example dot example examples. Let's say put examples rename. Now we'll do a constructor which takes packed user operation memory user op. We need to import it. Import packed user operation from source slash interfaces slash packed user operation dot sol. And we need to import one more file, import user operation lib. Lib from source slash core slash user operation library. Okay, user operation lib dot soul. Back to user operation will say storage, right? S underscore user op, and we'll set S underscore user op to user op. No, other way around. Now we just need to use all these functions in one go. Oh, we also need to use entry point. You see how we are using this library here. We are gonna do the same thing, which and we have multiple functions to work on. Sorry, to expose. So all the internal pure functions we want. User operation, paymaster and data, gas offset. So this will return address. This will return something, and rest will return what? Oh no, this will return validation gas, and this will return post of gas. Okay, let me switch over. So we haven't covered this. Get function gas price and bunch of these functions. Unpack low, unpack high, max. So let's see where if they are getting used somewhere in the contract. Unpack high. Let's search user operation lab. It's not getting used anywhere. So what I want to do is I'll just copy everything from here and then return by accessing it. If we do this, and we can say s underscore user op dot unpack high. Oh no, just a second. Where is this pack unit? Unpack unit and entry point. Unpack unit, and it's returning this. We have to do the same thing, but okay, bytes bytes 32, right? So we need to send that. Okay, here we'll say user operation lib dot unpack and we'll say user op s user op dot I forgot how user operation looks. Put this on the side. Account gas limits, we'll say. Account gas limits. What's the issue? View, public, external. We don't need this. Yeah, this is good. We can just continue doing this. Okay, I just removed that library part. We don't need this. Mm, let's run. I just want to run all tests once and see if, yeah, 68 test passed, everything works. Okay, now we can copy everything from this part. Low unpack oh, unpack low to I'm pretty sure this is for our use. It won't be used in entry point. Okay, let's modify everything. We are passing user op here. We don't need user op. We'll remove this part. Say s underscore. Remove the rest. And here user operation lib dot whatever the name of the thing is, name of the function is. Okay, that's done. Let's go. Oh no, that's not done. User operation lib dot s underscore. We can remove this part because we are not using it, and we'll say external view. Same thing here, external view. What s underscore and user operation lib dot. Remove the function arguments. Change visibility to external view. Worked like a charm. User operation lib dot whatever the name is, s underscore. Okay, external view, remove this. We'll say user operation lib dot, that works. Change external view and remove this. Also s underscore. I hope you understood like what I'm doing. It's the same thing again and again and again for multiple functions. Now what is the error? Okay, some changes. Let's keep this, and here we gonna change this to user operation lib dot user op. Implicit conversion from bytes 32 to oh, we fucked up everywhere, right? Yes, yes, we did. Let's copy. Let's change this last part. It worked here because it was particular condition. Yeah, okay. This shouldn't have worked for every place. No, what every function, and I didn't caught it in time. Okay, for this, let's keep these as they are. We need to change everything. We haven't changed visibility, external view. Now go down, user operate. Let's copy this. Copy. Okay, I lost all the selection. Let's do that again. I'm clicking the wrong thing. Okay, that's done. We need to remove everything here. user op. And what pure? Okay, so same thing. Pure, pure, pure. Everything works. Now what we want is we don't even need these things. We don't even need these functions because here we are gonna use them anyways. So we can remove those, and then we don't need these also. Okay, mm, if that's the case, this should be a harness contract. It looks like a harness contract. Yeah, that thing. If it quacks like a duck, walks like a duck, quacks like a duck, it's a fucking duck. So this is a harness contract. But okay, let's say user operation lib harness copy rename. Let's move this to harnesses harness. Yes. Okay. Now that we have it, what we can do is core new file. Test unit core new file will be user operation lib test.t.sol pragma 0.8.24 and then contract user operation lib test. We can do the imports. User operation lib harness source slash no test slash harness harnesses slash user operation lib harness.sol. Okay, we have that. Now we need to import packed user operation from source slash interfaces slash user operation no packed user operation packed user operation dot sol. Now import test from forge dash std slash test dot sol. We'll say is test. We need function then setup public let's say user operation lib harness. Oh no, we need the whole name. Harness private. Yes, we can change we can shorten the name of the variable, not the type. So keep that in mind. Equal to user operation lib harness function test every function. Test all functions of library of lib public. Now what will be next is all these things. Oh, I don't know if we can copy all of them. Just okay. We have all the functions. First things first, which is creating creating the user operation. Here we are gonna parse max priority fee. So gas fees field, then account gas limits field, and paymaster field. So in the paymaster field, cost of gas limit. Okay, we so if we see here, we took functions till this, right? Because this function is getting tested when, or it's at least getting covered, not tested, but covered when we are using paymaster somewhere in our integration tests of paymaster, or in unit test of paymaster. No, integration test of paymaster, because this is an entry point, and entry point we are using in the integration test only. So that's why we didn't use this part. Okay, maybe we should. So we have we have done this. No, we have to create harness functions for this function, for encode, for gas price, get sender. We'll do that for everything. Let's go here. return user operation lib dot get sender, and then pass user operation. Change this to external. What's the next function? It's this. We'll say return user operation lib dot gas price, and change internal to external. What's next? Encode. So encode hash. Okay, probably let's just expose this. Yeah, let's expose that, and then we'll see how to achieve the conditions to do that, to test it. User operation lib dot encode, and we'll pass the user op. Change internal to external. Also, we should copy this. Okay, that worked. Gas price, entry point, unpack units. We don't need to expose that because it's already in use. This is also in use. Here expose this. We need to expose this. Yes. Okay. So at the bottom we can say this. Let's remove these names. We don't need those. We can do we can change this to external and return user operation lib dot unpack paymaster static field, and pass the paymaster and data. Last part is this. In encode, it takes hash of call data, init code hash. Except for signature, it takes everything and it encodes it. And hash does only does the kcap 256 like hash. It takes it generates hash of these bytes. The bytes encode returns. Okay, let's say return user operation lib dot hash user operation. We'll change this to external. We have this, and last function is hash. Okay, now first we'll create the user operation and then test all the functions. Fact user operation memory user op equal to fact user operation and we need 9 which is sender nuns init code account gas gas limits pre-verification gas gas fees paymaster and data signature. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What am I missing? Sender nuns. I am missing something. Let's check. Call data. Yeah, that was the main part. That is the main part for execution. So maybe I shouldn't have meshed that. Address sender equal to MAC address sender next nuns UN256 nuns equal to, let's say 1000. Init init code is bytes. So bytes memory init code equal to hex init no A1 B2 A1 B2 C3 D4. Let's set those values. Sender nuns init code. Now we will need a call data, or we can say abi.encode generate random init code value, bytes memory call data equal to, we'll do same thing, but we'll say call data value. Pass call data here. Account gas limits will consist of verification and call gas limits. So UN 256 verification gas limit equal to 100,000. UN 256 call gas limit equal to 200,000. Limit. Now we can construct this bytes 32 verification gas limit verification gas limit shifted call gas limit. For this, copy the name, go at the top, UN 256 50, come down, gas fees will be bytes 32. Here we want, what we want is bytes, no, not bytes, UN 256 max fee per gas equal to 20. UN 256 max priority fees equal to 40. Come down, here we're gonna add that value, shift it, and then max priority fee. For this, can we do, I just want to check everything is correct. Yes, everything is correct. We need to generate more variables. Address paymaster equal to make address paymaster UN 256 paymaster account, no, paymaster verification gas limit equal to 45,000. UN 256 paymaster post op gas limit equal to 90. These values are totally random and they don't have any meaning, so just keep that in mind. Encode packed paymaster verification paymaster post op and bytes 32 signature signature equal to ABI dot encode packed generate random signature value. We are gonna say we're gonna hash it, and in the hash that hash will be added here. Why? Signature. Oh, okay. We don't need to hash it. I thought signature was bytes 32 for some reason. Yeah, no, it can't be bytes 32, right? R, S, and V. In that R, we are packing those values. So R is 32, S is 32, and V is U into 8. So not sure how many bytes th- that is, but it might be 1 byte or 2 bytes. So yeah, this is correct. Okay, we have done the whole set. We have done the whole setup. Now we just need to write multiple tests. So we are already over the time limit. So we'll do this tomorrow and get more coverage for user operation lib. That way will increase the coverage for core source slash core folder, which was our aim. And for simulation, I don't think we need anything. But let's see. Okay, cool. Uh, yeah, let me commit it. Git add git commit dash m testing oh, post op and underscore post op test comma user operation lib test setup dash m work done on 10th Jan 2025 stream link. Let me just put that link. Get push. Okay, so that's it for today's stream. Tomorrow, you know what we are gonna do. We have these many functions to test, and we know how each of them works. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Cool. Hope you like the stream. And